This morning we're going to make these hanging decorations like these ones that are just beside me. I think they're gorgeous, and they have little beads hanging down as well at the bottom and the top of them. They're very simple to make. So at the end of the tutorial you'll find a list of all the ingredients that you need to make these.
Great.
And you can go ahead and start making your own. So for starters, I'm going to look at these first actually. See these little beads here? Yeah. That was a necklace that I had that I wasn't using any longer, so I took the thread out of it and got all these lovely little baubles or beads or whatever you'd call them.
So you're going to give them a new lease of life.
A new lease of life.
Perfect.
Yeah. I got some nice Christmas paper here, and we're going to need 6 circles. So we have some of them cut already. So I want you to turn it over, and I have a circular shape here on my glass, and you have a slightly smaller one.
A little smaller, yeah.
Yeah.
So
and we just draw around it like that. Oops, it's stuck. And then we cut it out. Always draw on the back of your paper, because that way that the line won't show, you know, when you have it
slightly off it.
Yeah. Try and cut these as carefully as you can, because they're going to be put together. This one's going to be put together with another one, so they need to be the same shape. Now, that's that. And now we're going to fold them. So you just fold them basically in half like that. And line them up very carefully again. And just run your finger down the side. So that's 5 I think I have there, and there's one more there. Okay? All yours done.
So we've 6.
Yeah, 6 all together.
Perfect.
Now before we start to assemble those, we're going to get a little piece of embroidery thread and with a needle,
and a knot at the bottom.
And a knot at the bottom.
Your beads won't fall off.
Very important. You see these here at the bottom of those? There's a few beads. So we're going to just get them ready before we start to assemble. Just push them all the way down. I think I've got 4 or 5 on mine. I put quite a large one at the bottom. Sometimes it's a good idea to put a little one, can't see the hole here, at the bottom, so that there's no risk of it falling off the knot.
Okay.
Go with a clear one. Yeah, I think that's enough for me. So I'm just going to leave that to one side for the minute. Now we're going to do some gluing. You need a glue stick. And you need to glue, I might have to fold these the wrong way around. I'm just doing it the other way. So even the experts can make mistakes.
Oh, I did the same thing.
Did you? Unbelievable.
Oh,
anyway, that's okay, easily fixed. Now, on one side of these, just glue right round. All the way, you need to cover it completely. And then get the second one. And line it up pretty well. You can just adjust it, and also check your inside line here, that they're lined up in the centre.
They slip around a little bit.
Yeah, did you? You can just yeah, that's fine. And then you start again, go on that side. Attach another one. We did something similar for Halloween, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah, with pumpkins. And just another one on there.
Pumpkins.
Just to slide it into place. That's fairly good there, I think. Now, same again. Another one. Again.
How many have you on?
I think this is my 5th. Just kind of, sometimes it is important that they're lined up in the centre. So more important than the sides, because you can always trim the sides a little bit if they're not quite. Now I'm putting the last one on. Now we have to put the thread in then before we attach it to the first one. So that goes on.
Oh yeah.
There. You nearly there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So as you can see, it's like it's stuck a little bit. It's nearly like a book at this stage. Different pages. Before we attach that one to that, I'm going to put this through. It's easier to do that than to try and get it through it afterwards. So you just line it up and make sure that bottom bead or the top bead is very near the bottom of the paper.
Okay.
And then now you do the two sides with glue.
And you glue the two sides.
Well, you can glue.
Just one?
You can glue one if you want. It doesn't matter. The two sides has to stick together in the end anyway. So just adjust that bead. And that's all your pieces. You can separate them a bit. The glue on there now. Two there somewhere. That's it. Now you have 6. So your needle is still in that. I'm going to add another few beads on top.
Looking good.
Yeah, great. But you could get amazing effects by using different colours of paper on the one.
Absolutely,
as well. That
yes.
would be nice. Now, there's another 4 there. That should do it. Just pull that needle off.
One more.
And I'm just going to make a loop at the top. I've got sticky fingers now from the glue. Twist around. Pull it through. And there's your loop for hanging. You can just cut off the excess. Spread it around a bit.
Make my loop now.
There you are. Nice.
I just cut off my little piece
Yeah.
here.
And if, when you're finished, you can see little bits of white, you just get the scissors at it and just level them off. Yeah. And they move around.
They do. And they would move in a little slight breeze as well.
They would, yeah. Nice in the wind though, wouldn't it?
Yes.
Alright.
Nice.
Great, thank you for watching. Bye.
Take care.